Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to connect the Strava app with the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that on your smartphone, just open the Play Store app and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app. Then tap on open. Now just select join for free and select continue with Google. From here, just select your Gmail account. Now, once you log into your Strava app, just go to your home screen and open the Mi Fitness app. Then tap on Profile and go to Third-Party Data. From here, just tap on Strava and tap on Connect. From here, just select Sign in with Google. Now just make sure you select all these options and select Authorize. Now, as you can see, connected successfully. And this is how you can connect the Strava app with the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.